Hey friends, if you wish to convert a table to chart in Word, then please watch this video. Okay, so click on insert, select table. Let's say that I need this kind of a table here. I will enter values. Okay, and okay, I will add three names, and then I will add, let's say, subjects, so that I could have marks here. Okay, and then I will add marks here. And here too. Okay, let's just say that I can name it as name slash subject. Okay, now I need to create a chart for it. Again, I'll select this and I'll go to insert. I'll click on this downward pointing arrow associated with object and I'll select object. Now in object type, I'll select Microsoft Graph Chart and I'll click on OK. A graph will appear and then I'll have a document for managing the graph here. Okay, and the graph has appeared. I can change the location of the graph by a simple drag and drop. Okay, I can paste it here, or I can increase its size and also the color and all. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.